Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome, my followers. Today, inshallah, we will talk about the letters in more details as we said before. So, we will make a quick review and we will continue, inshallah. Let's begin. Alif, Hamza. Alif, Hamza. Ba, B. Ba, B. Ta, T. Ta, T. Tha. I think maybe this way, inshallah, will be useful for you. Alif, as we say A. Alif, A. Ba, B in English. Ta, T. Tha, as we say thanks. Tha, this tha. Jim, J, as we say George. G, this G. Ha, nothing like in English. Let's say ha. Kha, kh, nothing in English. Dal, D. Dal, D. Dhal, as we say this, not the, dhal, the, this, like this. Ra, R, ra. Zay, Z. Sin, S. Sheen, Sheen has 3 points, like sh, sad, so. It is somehow strong C. Sad, so. Dad, nothing in English. Ta, it is somehow strong T. T, ta. Va, nothing in English. Ain, A, nothing in English. Ghain, G, nothing in English. Fa, like F. Fa. Qaf, it is strong from the, I don't know how to say it, but it is qaf, yeah. Kaf, it is like key in English. Lam, L in English. L. Mim, M, somehow M in English. Noon, N, somehow N in English. N. Ha, it is somehow H when we say house. This house. Wow, like W in English. Ya, Y in English, as we say ye or something like that. It is somehow to make the pronounce more easier for you. Try to pronounce. Try to save the letter. Try to write the letter. That's all for today. هذا كان كل شيء لهذا اليوم. I hope for you the best. أرجو لكم الأفضل. السلام عليكم.